Almost every house built on a hillside tries to stand out. This one was designed to disappear. Instead of sitting on the mountain as one big object, Tramuntana House breaks apart, steps down the slope, and partially hides among the trees, rocks, and green roofs. From the street, we only catch a few glimpses of it. We do not really understand the whole house until we begin walking through it. The home sits in the hills just outside Palma de Mallorca, Spain. Even though Mallorca is known for its coastline, the house turns away from the city and the sea. Its most open side faces the other direction, toward the south, the privacy of the woods, and the mountain itself. At the entrance, a circular opening in the ceiling brings daylight into the entry hall, while the surrounding walls keep this first space more enclosed. Only after moving farther inside do we begin to see the woods and the different levels of the house. Instead of flattening the hillside for one large building, the architects divided the home into 5 parts: the kitchen and dining area, the living room, the bedrooms, the studio, and the pool. Each part sits on its own platform. They step down with the natural slope, coming together where they need to connect, and pulling apart to preserve existing trees, rocks, and vegetation. At the center is a courtyard, but it was not created as a completely new garden. The house simply opens around a piece of the mountain that was left in place, along with its soil, rocks, and plants. This courtyard connects the different parts of the home. The bedrooms and studio remain more private, while the kitchen, living room, and outdoor spaces stay connected through the paths and the central open area. The kitchen and dining area sit on one of the platforms. At the center, a large piece made from Bini Salem limestone, a stone native to Mallorca, handles several of the kitchen's main functions. Wood appears around it in the cabinets and custom furniture. The living room sits in another section and opens toward the south. Large windows bring the trees and mountains close, but the walls still control each view. The house never turns into a glass box open on every side. From one room, we see the tops of the pine trees. Somewhere else, the rock comes right up against the walls. Farther along, the view passes through the woods and reaches the mountains beyond. The pool occupies the final platform. Long and narrow, it stretches out over the valley and follows the direction of the landscape. The bedrooms sit farther away from the shared living areas, while the studio occupies another part of the slope. This lets different things happen at the same time without forcing all of daily life into one central space. One of the most noticeable features is the material used on both the interior and exterior walls. At first, they look like huge pieces of rock taken directly from the hillside. But they're actually terrazzo panels made specifically for the house. The panels combine cement with stone fragments chosen to match the colors and density of the local rock. Each one is about 10 feet tall and 4 inches thick. First, machines cut deep lines into the surface. Then the areas between those cuts are broken by hand with a hammer. The result combines straight lines with a rough, uneven texture, almost like fractured stone. The goal was not to make a perfect copy of natural rock. The walls still look clearly built, but their colors, shadows, and textures connect them to the mountain. Because the same material continues inside and outside, crossing a doorway does not feel like entering a completely different world. The surfaces along the paths carry into the living spaces, bedrooms, and courtyard. Tramuntana House does not disappear by trying to perfectly disguise itself as rock. It disappears by refusing to become one large, visible building. The house breaks apart. It follows the slope. It keeps a piece of the mountain at its center, and it lets the vegetation continue across the roofs. On a hillside where it would have been natural to build a house that dominates the view, OHL chose to pull back. The city and the sea are left behind. The rooms step down between the trees, and instead of making the house the main attraction, the design lets the mountain keep that role.